Look no further than the 2020 Ford Fusion. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. This sleek Fusion is ready to take you wherever you need to go in stylish luxury. It delivers smart tech and a smooth ride so you can relax and focus on the drive. What's more, four-door midsize comfort makes this beauty as practical as it is elegant. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, remote engine start, backup camera, electronic stability control, blind spot monitor, dual zone AC, power driver seat, Bluetooth connection. Take control of the daily commute in smart style. This sporty Fusion is waiting, and our team is standing by to give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.